Hello friends, today we are going to make a different mixed vegetables without onion and ginger. Someone has requested me for that. It is red in color and super tasty, so do try it at your home.
Carrot, beans, mushroom, cauliflower and potato are the main ingredients of this super tasty good looking preparation. It goes well with roti. I have taken carrot, beans and capsicum cut in small pieces. Cauliflower and mushroom cut in big pieces. 1 small potato. Soya sauce half teaspoon. Tomato sauce 2 teaspoon. Handful cashew. Cumin seeds half teaspoon. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Sugar 1 teaspoon. Olive oil or sunflower oil 2 to 3 spoon. Coriander powder half teaspoon. Cumin powder half teaspoon. Garam masala powder half teaspoon. Coriander leaves. Dry red chili 2 pieces. Garlic 2 cloves, optional. First, make a paste of garlic, cashew, cumin powder, coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder and turmeric powder. Add a little amount of water during making paste. Heat the pan and oil. Fry carrot and beans in low to medium flame. Add a little amount of salt here. Around in 3 minutes, add potatoes. I don't peel potatoes because its skin is fibrous, but you can do that. Again in 3 minutes, add turmeric powder, capsicum, cauliflower and mushroom. Add salt and fry those. As carrot and beans take longer time to cook and become soft, hence I have cut those in small pieces and will fry and boil those for longer time. As cauliflowers and mushroom are easily cooked, I have taken larger chunks and will fry and boil those for less time. During frying, heat another pan and little amount of oil. I am adding now dry red chili and cumin seeds. In few seconds, add the paste. Now cook the paste for 10 minutes in low to medium flame. I am adding rest Kashmiri red chili powder. It won't make the dish spicy, but it will give a beautiful red color to the dish. That's why I have used only it here instead of green chili and black pepper. Add some salt. Stir again and again so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Masala paste is cooked now. I am adding tomato sauce and soya sauce here. And will cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please Please press the bell icon to get all my videos notification. I will wait for your likes and comments. Please share my videos to others. I have shared some good recipes in my description box. Please check those and try those at your home. Frying of vegetables is done. Let's collect potato, carrot and beans from those. Add potato, carrot and beans to the masala. Pour required amount of water. Mix and boil in high flame for few minutes. Now let's add rest of the vegetables to the pan and boil. We need to be cautious so that cauliflower is not overcooked. Add garam masala and sugar. Mix it. Add some coriander leaves for garnish. Super tasty, good looking sabzi is ready. Sure, try this at your home and let me know. Take care. Bye bye.